Hi, welcome to our channel. Today, we'll be learning how to play Bananagrams. To set up, lay out the letter tiles face down on the table and mix them up. These are called the bunch. Each player takes the starting face down tiles from the bunch based on the number of players playing. There are no turns. All play happens simultaneously. To begin, one player says split and all the players simultaneously turn over all their tiles face up and race to arrange them in their own intersecting word grid. Words must read from left to right or top to bottom, and each word must connect to at least one other word with at least one shared letter. You may rearrange your word grid at any time, as often as you like. Whenever a player places the last face-up letter in their grid, that person calls out pew, and every player, including that player, takes one more tile from the bunch. Anytime during the game, you may call out dump and put one of your letters back face down in the bunch and take 3 new tiles in exchange. Dumping has no effect on other players and there is no limit to the number of times you can dump. When the bunch is depleted to fewer tiles than there are the number of players, then the first player to use all the letters in connected word grid yells bananas and wins. The other players now inspect the winning grid. If that grid contains misspelled words, proper nouns, abbreviations, or other unacceptable words, then the other player calls out rotten banana, and the winner doesn't win, but instead is out of the game. Return the tiles face down back to the bunch and play continues until there is a legitimate winner. And don't forget, this Bananagram set also includes the exciting Party Edition. For those eager to add a twist to their game night, please refer to the included guide for all the fun and challenging party rules. The Party Edition is sure to bring even more laughter and enjoyment to your Bananagram experience. And that's how to play Bananagrams, the ultimate word race that's simply appealing. Thanks for watching! If you've enjoyed this tutorial, like, share and subscribe for more game guides. Let us know in the comments which game you'd like to master next.